Good morning, Butcher Bag. A collection of the fishes and seafood for 16th January 2022. We will start for the day with the black pomfret. This is the fish of the day. We are selecting every day one fish and describing about it with its health benefits. So today is black pomfret. Black pomfret is a great source of calcium with the vitamin A and B. It is also good for brain because it contains vitamin B12 and very good for eyesight and skin. So these are the small black pomfret in a kg, four pieces or 3 pieces, and we have got a big black pomfret. Even this is the big black pomfret. You can have a look at it. Big and small both are available. Prices will be shared on the WhatsApp. Now we'll start with all the fishes one by one. This is the amur, the red amur. Amur is a Middle East fish which is very good in taste, and it's a center bone fish, very juicy and tender. Here we have a sea fish. Sea fish is also known as Spanish mackerel, which is very good and healthy fish, and very liked by adults and kids, especially kids, because of its less bone. And here we have white prawns, the freshwater white prawns, clams, fresh clams, squid big size, and these are the horse mackerel, which is also known as Pare travelly fish, white sheila, Elish, that's a hillside fish. Elish has shown already black pomfret, big size. These are the Mangalore black pomfret. So they are very good in taste and juicy. Black pomfret small. White pomfret. White pomfret are much healthier than black pomfret because it contains vitamin A, B, D and 12. Then we have Volvo pomfret. This can replace your white pomfret at a very affordable price. We have ladyfish here. Ladyfish are the center bone fish, a very thin center bone and a good in taste. These are the mandals, that is nang. Arne, that's a kelanga fish. Palu, emperor fish. Palu is beautifully designed by its nature. You can see how nice and beautiful it looks, and it is also good in taste. Center bone, again one of the good fish from the sea. Mullet. Mullet is also known as a Middle East fish, which is also known as madwe. The fishes are very fresh. And here we have a crab, dot crabs, pink perch, good and fresh pink perch today. That's a shankara. Sea white prawns. The prawns are big in size. Here we have a milk shark. That's palsura also. And here we have mackerel. That's Indian Isla. Bangode in a kg, 4 to 5 pieces. The bangode are very fresh and good. You can have a look at it. The mackerel today are very nice and very fresh and big in size. These are the mackerels. Here we have river pomfret, that's Rupchan. Pangas, which is also known as basa. And we have rahu, chure, the white tuna. The white tuna can be done skin out curry cut, and slices, fillet, boneless. These are the red snapper. You can have a look at the red snapper. Red snapper can be made for fillets and boneless. Good red snappers are available today. Sunday collection especially will have a huge variety. These are the kataparas. We'll go one by one quickly and finish the today's slot of the fishes and seafood. Have a look at it. I request you to order early so that we can dispatch the orders at the earliest. All orders will be delivered by 11:30. You can plan up for your lunch, and evening also we'll have a order. Delivery orders are available for the entire day. Order at the earliest. Thank you so much.